प्रमद बर' दैदेननाय बिटिआर सरकारनि सायाव कास्टम बसुमतारीनि गोख्रों बिबुंथि। प्रमद बर'नि सरकारजों बानायजानाय जौगानाय मोनसेबो खामानि फोरमान गैया। बिटिसिआव नुनाय लामा दालां इउनिभार्सिटि आरो हस्पिटाल गासैबो हाग्रामा महिलारिनि सरकारनि समाव लुनाय आरो बानायखानायसो। बिटिआरनि इएम नीलुत स्वर्गियारिनि बियाबाव जानाय मोनसे जथुमाव नुजाथिना बे गोख्रों बाथ्राखौ खौरां बिजोङाव कास्टम बसुमतारीया बुंदों।
For entire BTC, there is no single evidence that that things has done by Honorable Pramod Bodo or UPPL government. You saw in BTC that a road, bridge, college, university, hospital, everything has done by during Hagrama Mohila Research government. So therefore, voters of BTC, they have decided themselves that in upcoming BTC election, they are going to cast to BPF. Because every section of voters of BTC, so they are therefore they are saying that bye bye UPPL government, bye bye Pramod Bodo, welcome to Hagrama Mohila Sarkar, welcome to BPF.